Jonathan?
No.
Jonathan, put candy on the window.
Oh. It's a traffic light.
Okay, keep going.
Remember I made a traffic
One more.
It was a traffic light.
On the house?
Yeah.
No, Jonathan, that's good. Keep going.
It's a traffic light on.
Benjamin.
It's a traffic light on the house.
Benjamin.
That's funny.
Hey, buddy.
Mommy's like, I want to surprise you again.
Here, let me put some. Good. Okay, Jonathan, are you ready? We're gonna. Oh, this one needs more frosting.
I need some more.
Hold on. Okay, here. Jonathan, should we put some candy right around here?
No.
Jonathan, can you look over here and say hello? Hi. Can you look at the camera and say hello? Hi.
Oh, my
Jonathan, are you supposed to have candy? Did you finish your dinner? Benjamin.
Hey, Jonathan, let's put some stars right here, okay? Wherever Mommy puts a dot, you put a star.
Oh, yeah.
Jonathan, put a star right there.
Matthew, how old are you now?
Jonathan, put a star there.
You're 1 year old?
Just kidding, I'm 5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
Cool. What grade are you in now? Did you start kindergarten this year?
Star there.
Ow.
Cool. At Morris Elementary?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? What's your favorite
Jonathan, put a
subject?
star here.
Math.
Yeah? How about your second favorite subject?
Math.
Math and math?
You're
Yeah.
gonna be an engineer when you grow up, Jonathan.
Mommy, can you come over here and see what I did?
Okay.
It's silly.
Keep
Because
going,
I wanted
Jonathan.
to
Put
surprise
stars
you.
everywhere Mommy
Jonathan.
puts a dot.
Jonathan, do you like school? You like going to kindercare? You like going to kindercare?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah. Most kids are kids.
No, he goes to kindercare.
Benjamin, oh. What are you getting into? Oh, hold on. Watch out.
Jonathan, you need stars here.
Let's see what the surprise is. See what the surprise is.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Benjamin.
It's doorbells, the
Benjamin.
weapons.
How old are you?
That's funny.
Benjamin, how old are you?
And the star is the button that turns the
You
house
almost 9
into
months?
a boat. That's what the
Benjamin?
star is.
You almost 9 months?
Oh my gosh, look, it's a jet.
Hey, say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, Jonathan. Matthew, you can say goodbye?
Go gaga, go gaga, go.
Alrighty.
Did you get
Benjamin,
yourself
you too.
Honey, get yourself in there, please.
Go gaga, go,
Honey, get yourself in there. Dada.
Gaga.
Dada, get yourself in there. Turn the camera around.
Go ga, go ga, go ga, go ga,
Jonathan, put
go ga,
piece of
go ga ga,
Ooh.
go ga, ga,
Ah, bah, bah, bah.
go ga,
Alright, let's see how I can do this. Probably like
Mommy,
this.
I'm going to
Uh-oh,
make
it's out of focus.
It's okay.